Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On August 17, 2021, a prototype of the Russian military transport aircraft IL-112V crashed during a test flight outside Moscow, killing all three crew members on board. The incident took place during the final approach for landing near the Kubinka airfield outside Moscow. I'm sure everyone would have seen the video of the aircraft crashing into the fields post flying for a while. This video is a live witness that the crash happened due to some issues on the right side engine which caught fire. The video, which was prevailing in social media, shows the IL-112V plane flying at low altitude with the right engine on fire. Even though the plane tries to make a go around, it suddenly takes a sharp turn and suddenly nosedives to the ground, resulting in the crash. As per the different sources, it looks like there were three persons on board the prototype plane, which include a test pilot who is Nikolai Klimov, who is the hero of the Russian Federation. Hero of the Russian Federation is the highest honorary title of the Russian Federation, and this title comes with a Gold Star medal. Russian investigators and other officials have started a thorough investigation to identify the root cause behind this particular crash. Not sure if the real cause of this particular issue was a faulty engine or a pilot error or something else. All this can be concluded only after the investigation is closed. The Rostec Defense confirmed that it was assembling an integral team or an integral commission to investigate the crash. They also added that the aircraft had been experimental and was still in its testing stage. The main intention to come up with this light military transport aircraft is for transporting and parachuting light weaponry and equipment, cargo and military personnel. The IL-112V was being designed to eventually replace the Russia's aging Antonov AN-26 transport aircraft. An export variant of the IL-112V, which is IL-112VE, was even offered to India. These aircrafts are powered using two Klimov TV7-117ST turboprop engine with 3500 horsepower each, and these engines are designed and produced by United Engine Corporation. These engines are distinguished by their modularity and efficient fuel consumption, having some of the best parameter within its class. Even though having an engine manufactured by United Engine Corporation, seeing it catching fire makes us think in so many aspects. Engine failure is not a common occurrence, but it does happen just like this particular crash. A drop in fuel pressure or a fluctuating fuel pressure may cause an engine fire. A rough running engine might be caused by a cracked cylinder which can leak oil or a hot gas which can ignite a fire. Sometimes the engine's integral parts speed up when the plane is attempting to climb, and due to this, it might break apart and pierce the side of the engine wall, and in turn, these parts can puncture the fuel line. These are the reasons which I am thinking of, but this is not something which would have happened with the Russian military plane crash. So let's wait for the investigators to come up with a valid reason behind this unexpected crash. I'll be uploading another video once I get the root cause behind this particular problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.